Hi guys, as you can see, there's a change of location. It's actually in my room itself, but the thing is, what happened is my camera charger broke, and so I can't really use my cam. And like a friend is gonna lend me their camera charger, but my friend isn't here, so you have to make do. And my tripod has also kind of broken down, so yeah, like I'm shooting this on my phone, and because I was gonna shoot it on my phone, I thought I'll just like shoot it wherever it's convenient. So I'm just sitting on my bed and shooting it. And yeah, I had kind of charged my camera charger last time as well from my friend's charger because chargers are quite expensive and I don't really know how mine broke. And yeah, the tripod isn't working either, so technically a lot of good things have broken apart. Today's video is about the October Fabbag, more like the unboxing of the October Fabbag. I'm kind of worried about how this is getting shot because I mean, as much as I can see it, I'm looking right into the cam, so I can't really check the footage. And yeah, I don't know if my sound is getting recorded because in general I speak in a really low volume, so to like edit it on Premiere, make it louder, all of that. So to shoot this, I washed this yesterday. Like I only shoot in this, like I don't know if I made it obvious. Just constantly keep shooting in the same shirt. And yeah, unless it's a vlog, which was last time. So if you haven't checked that out, I'll link it here. And yeah, let's get started. So the October Fab Bag looks like this, and yeah, I kind of like how colorful it is, and yeah, by the way, it's not like woven or anything. I think it's quite evident that it's not. It's like a print that makes it look like it's threads put together and woven, but it's not. And I like how it is so many colors. You can like kind of use it with anything for maybe a tiny festive look or something, which is the point of the October Fab Bag because they've mentioned that it's the October color your way Fab Bag because Navratri and everything. And yeah, so the first product in here, which was kind of hyped. Okay, so basically there are 4 products, and the one that was hyped a lot was obviously the set of 10 mini lipsticks by Seduction Las Vegas, and it looks like this. I'm also currently wearing a shade which is the number 16 in the set, and I really like the consistency. I like the texture of the lipstick, and because I've worn a few of them over the past few days before shooting this, I can tell you that it's long lasting. Although, like when you say mini, I don't know how tiny you expect the lipsticks to be, and like people had already reviewed it beforehand, so I thought they'll be a little larger than they are. But this is my thumb. This is how much it is, which is quite tiny actually, just this much. And yeah, I mean, I don't mind it honestly because it's a set of 10 and I got a pretty good deal. And it's 10 different shades which are long lasting. And honestly, some days I feel like there will always be lipsticks that you don't end up using, or most lipsticks have an expiry date of like 2 to 3 years, and sometimes you can't finish them. And yeah, I mean, it's better to have tinier ones with multiple colors so you can like mix and match kind of thing. So I kind of like this a lot. Then the next thing here is a beauty bar. I don't know the difference between a beauty bar and a soap bar or any of that, or a gel bar, although I think gel bars are supposed to be translucent, but I don't really know what kind of difference they make, so why do they have different terms? Then again, I know people who don't know the difference between body butters and body lotions or moisturizers, so I guess there must be some difference, and if you know it, please let me know in the comments. So this is made by the soap company India, and it says so basically it's made by women, like women are employed here in this company to make soaps, like they are given employment. And this soap is specifically exclusively handcrafted for Fabbag, it says so here. And I haven't used it, so I can't review it, but there's a reason I haven't used it. So basically, I still have my old body wash intact, and so in 2 weeks I'm gonna go home for vacations, and yeah, this so far, like I've opened it and already shown you, but so it's quite thick, and I'm very sure I can't finish it in 2 weeks, even if I bathe like thrice a day, every day, which I'm not gonna get time for because right now my exams are going on. Yeah, even then I'm not gonna be able to finish it, and because I don't have like a soap box kind of thing, I don't want to leave it here for 2 weeks. And for all I know, when I come back, it's all fungusy and shit. And yeah, I also don't want to carry a moist one back home in some sort of box in my luggage. So I thought I won't use it right away. I could use it later, I could just take it home and use it. But yeah, I can do a review on it later if you guys want me to. The next thing here that I got was the Tvakh Elixir Hair Growth Concentrate. So I used this, but I've only used it once, so I don't think you can like really see any difference. Just washed my hair today, like I put it yesterday. So basically how you're supposed to use this is you have to mix it with coconut or olive oil or whatever you use when oiling your hair, and about 10 to 15 drops according to the nature of your hair. So like I put 15 because I was like, yeah, my hair is curly anyway and like kind of needs more oiling because it's very dry. So I use that much, and yeah, you have to apply it and keep it overnight for better results. So let's see, I mean, hopefully I should see the results soon because I oil my hair around once or twice a week. So once I have the results, maybe I could post like a collage on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should do so soon. Also about this, it's made of like a combination of 16 unique herbs and other ingredients which help in hair growth. But I must warn you, it has like this pungent smell. Although I've read from people that it does help with hair growth, and I kind of really wanted to because my hair is all this wavy curly thing, it just doesn't grow beyond a point, and I've just waited patiently for a really long time for it to grow, but it hasn't. So yeah, I just hope it does work, and if it does, I'll let you know. And the last thing I have here is the Bioayurveda Miracle Moisture Toning Face Creme. So it kind of looks like an old packaging, but then I kind of assume that because Fabbag probably orders in bulk, that's why, maybe because a lot of them are together, the label is kind of a little rugged looking. But yeah, other than that, I like this quantity a lot because I tend to keep buying stuff including creams and moisturizers, and it's much easier to finish this. Plus I've used this for 2 or 3 nights because I had like itching and kind of rashes on my cheeks, for which my doc told me you can just use any moisturizer, which was a good time for this to come along. And yeah, so I used it and it's been fine. Like I wouldn't say it completely rids you of dryness or anything, but I think it gives fine results. Although I haven't been used it for a week, so it would be unfair to comment on how it works on dry skin, or like does it actually have an effect, because I have like perpetual dry skin. But yeah, other than that, I think it was pretty good. At least I'm not itching my cheek because of rashes or anything. So yeah, that's all the products that came in my Fabbag this month, and I really liked it, and I would have said that you guys can go ahead and order, but I think I'm putting this up quite late and they're sold out. But I guess you can go for the November one, which I forgot the name of. Yeah, and if you like this video, do give a thumbs up, comment, and share. Also subscribe because it really does help. And if you have any requests, you can always drop a comment. And I have linked my social media, so you can follow me there for any updates or just drop a hi.